Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On the daily time frame, the price line of Bitcoin has formed this falling wedge pattern, and on the short term, there is a bullish engulfing candlestick just flashed today, and at the end of the week, this bullish engulfing candlestick and this falling wedge pattern can change everything for Bitcoin. So let's start the analysis, but before starting the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the live daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line is moving between the resistance and support of this falling, but we have a valid support with so many touch points, and we have a valid resistance of the falling wedge with several touch points above the price line. And the price action right now is bounced by the support of the falling wedge, moved at the resistance, and right now you can see it is moving between the resistance and support, and this time the price action is not able to touch this support of this falling wedge. That is a clear indication that bears are losing control near this support. And if I place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this falling wedge, that is really very useful indicator to determine where we have the interest of the traders. Then we can see that to the downside we have the interest of the traders between this pattern up to this level, that is approximately at $43,200. And you can see whenever the price line is moving below than this level, the price line is moving to the upside in the area where we have the interest of the traders. And this is the point of control, and it is right now moving approximately at $47,200, and the price line always moves around the point of control, and it works as a center of gravity for the price action. If you find the correct pattern, and if you placed the right volume profile on the complete price action, then it is showing you the exact point of control, and the price line can move around this point of control that is right now at $47,000. So after breakout, we can expect that the price line can move easily up to this level, that is the point of control. However, the target of this big falling wedge can be here at the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately at $52,800. And you can see that this falling wedge is getting squeezed and more squeezed, and this is a decision making time for the price line to break out this falling wedge or break down the support of this falling wedge. At the same time, we are having very nice support of 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame as well, and you can see that this is another reason that the price line is not able to move below than this level. It is getting bounced again and again from this 100 simple moving average. But there is a little bad news as well, because we are also having a very strong support of this 200 daily simple moving average as well. Previously it was working as a very nice support, but now it has turned into a very strong resistance. So after breakout, we will have this resistance of the 200 simple moving average. Right now it is moving at $45,500, and if the 100 simple moving average will start moving up and form a bull cross with this 200 simple moving average, then these both moving averages can work as a very strong support for the price line, and they can lift the price action up. Like previously we had this situation back in March 2020 when the price line was moving down, but I think this was the drop, and the 100 simple moving average moved from the downside and crossed up the 200 simple moving average from the downside to the upside. And after this cross, both moving averages worked as a very nice support, and we had a very powerful rally. So after the bull cross, once it will be again formed, we can expect such move once again. Now if we take a look at the stochastic, then stochastic has again given us the bull cross. Previously I told you that we have just visited the oversold zone, and we don't have a big room to move more down. Right now the oscillator was moved up. We had a little room to move more down. However, it has given us the buying signal here, and the MACD has also started turning weak bearish from strong bearish. So there is a possibility that the price line will make another attempt to break out this resistance of this falling wedge. And as you know that this falling wedge pattern is also considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. Now let's move to the 4-hourly time frame to show you what kind of signal we are having. After this down move, we have this bullish engulfing candlestick appeared here. Like in my previous video, I told you that here we are likely to have another bullish engulfing candlestick, but this was not a complete bullish engulfing candlestick. This was only a week, and it was changed after that, and I was expecting that it will completely engulf the body of this previous red or bearish candlestick, but it could not do that, and it was moved a little bit down. And however, we had a nice rally to the upside, a small move. Right now we have a very clear bullish engulfing candlestick appeared, and this bullish engulfing candlestick has canceled the downtrend on the short term. And the reason is, if we take a look at the RSI, let me replace the RSI oscillator to show you what kind of signals we are having from this oscillator. Then you can see that RSI on the 4-hourly time frame has started forming higher lows. Let me show you, make it more visible for you. You can see that it is forming higher lows, and the price line has also started forming higher lows. However, on the daily time frame, we are still having lower lows, and the price line is forming lower lows and lower highs, and RSI is also forming lower lows and lower highs. It is possible that soon it will be reflected on the daily time frame chart as well, and we will have higher highs and higher lows formed by the price line and the RSI as well. Now let's move to the bigger picture, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And I told you that we have 3 major support and resistance levels, and to find and identify these support and resistance levels are not a big rocket science. This is really very easy. You can see we have so many touch points here. The price action rejected to the upside, rejected again, rejected again, rejected again. So here we had a very strong support of $53,000, and right now after this rally, the price line went very close to this $53,000 and rejected, moved down. So this is a very firm support and resistance on the weekly time frame. Then we can see that the price line after this rally moved up, moved down, rejected by this $43,000, moved up again, and once again rejected by $43,000. Then on the next candlestick broke it down and moved up again, and right now we have so many rejections. 1, 2, 3. We are being rejected by this support of $43,000 on the weekly time frame for almost for the last 3 weeks. Therefore, I told you that we are breaking down this $43,000 support, and we need to save this support. The price line need to be above this support in order to continue its move to the upside. And right now the price line at the end of the week, the price line is moving above this support again. If the price line will be closed, the weekly closing will be above this $43,000, then the price line can fight back and move up to break out this $53,000 support resistance level as well. At the same time, you can see that the price line is also testing this red line, that is the exponential moving average 21. That is also really very important, and the price line needs to move above this 21 exponential moving average. So right now the price line is struggling to save these 2 supports of exponential moving average 21 and $43,000. And at the end of the week, even on the short time frame, we have this bullish engulfing candlestick appeared. But this bullish engulfing candlestick on this short-term time frame is really very important, because it can help us. It can help Bitcoin to close above $43,000 and above this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I have shared my link to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.